So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you guys how do I do this look. So I'm not a beauty guru or like a beauty vlogger or something like that, but I feel like I want to share to you guys how do I do my makeup. So basically this makeup is my everyday makeup. Whenever I go to class, hang out, everything, it's very easy to do this makeup. It's gonna take you less than 15 minutes to do this makeup, which is very fast. And this look, I don't use foundation, I only use BB cream. And without any further ado, let's get started. And wait, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube video, okay? So I'm gonna do my makeup today, and I'm just gonna do it fast because usually I do my makeup 15 or 10 minutes before I go to class. So yeah, now I'm gonna use this. And already washed my face. I already put moisturizer and toner to my face, and now I'm gonna put like a base. Yeah, I usually gonna wait this for like 5 minutes. Usually while I'm waiting for this, I'm gonna be doing my hair, pick up my outfit and stuff. And also like in the middle while I'm waiting, I usually use this. So this is a lip balm. I bought this at DM. And then I never broke my eyebrows, so basically I'm always using this only for my eyebrow. And then okay, since it's already 5 minutes now, I use this. I never use foundation. If I'm going to class, university, hang out and stuff, so I'm just gonna use this. And yeah, I always use the NYX baby cream. I usually put it not too much. I only use one layer. I always put like this. I'm so sorry for the sunny, but like the sunshine, but I really love the sunshine. I feel like I always use this to spread everything. So basically today I'm planning to go to the library to study because I have exam in 2 weeks and I want to be well prepared. I don't want to feel like rushing, you know. So this is how I do it. Okay, and now I'm gonna wear a concealer. I always use the Fit Me concealer and I usually use it around here. Wait a minute. I only had like 5 hours of sleep last night and I hate it so much. I only put like when I have like acne scar. And I usually put it here just to make it like be cute. I'm just gonna like, and then after concealer I use this. So this is cream contour and corrector palette, and this one is from City Colors. I remember I use this color. I never used for this. I've been using only the darkest one, only for my nose contour. And the thing is, I always use only to this side because just to make it balance. I draw it like this and here. Okay, so it's like this if you guys can see it. I'm gonna use this brush to do it like this. And then at the end I use like this to blend everything. Okay, I already did my nose contour. The next step, I'm gonna use a highlighter. It's from Goban. It's the Stardust. I'm just gonna put it here. I already put the highlighter here and also here. Now the next step that I always use is I'm gonna use a blush on. I bought it from DM. It's called Essence. Now I'm gonna use it. I always use it here like this. I really love the color. I just did it. I just did it both sides. Now this is from Maybelline. It's a content palette, and because today my outfit is like more to pink, I think I'm gonna use like a super soft pink, and I'm gonna put it here. I just wanted to be a natural makeup, so I just used one color, a super soft pink. And then I'm almost done. And then the next step that I usually use is now time to use the lipstick. I always use this. This is from Dior. But yeah, I'm using this one. It's a lip tattoo. It's number 451. It's the coral one. And the color, it's really beautiful. I really love this color. I really love this color so much, and I usually mix it. It's gonna be matte in like 10 minutes. So I bought this one. This one is from Catrice, so it's a lip gloss, and I usually use this just like here, just to make it plump here and here. And then after that, I use the last one. It's from NYX again. This one is the shade Ivory, and I always use this at the end of everything. And at the end, I always use this. So I use this one. Okay, I'm done. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it's easy for you guys. And yeah, if you guys have any requests or something like that, just comment down below and I will make it. So I'm gonna go hang out with my friends now, and bye.